Wabarakatuh. This is your brother Ahmad Hossein Sani from Islamic Association of Allen. I'm going to introduce today our gardening project. So this project is led by our trainer, but it is not only for trainer. Anybody who loves gardening can join and grow the vegetable. So we have two sections. One is in the east side where I'm standing right now, and the one in the south side. So we're looking for a volunteer who can participate in this great cause, work with the team. This is very soothing and mental and workout, build friendship. If we have enough sisters, we will give it the south side for the sister and the east side for the brother. So again, it depends on how many participants we get. So as you can see, we started a little bit late this season, but we try to find enough plants. But again, inshallah, it will get better and better every year. So again, please do join. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.